Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today video is about natural hands and feet care and skin care. Anti-aging, skin lightening, skin glowing, prevent from dryness, freckles, wrinkles, dark spots, acne scars, fine lines, pigmentation and suntan. I will prepare face mask for your skin. For this you only need 3 ingredients. Lemon, rose water, multani matti, flower's earth. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon multani mitti, half teaspoon rose water, half teaspoon lemon juice. Now I mix all ingredients well. Apply 3 times in a week for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with running cold water. After wash your face, apply moisturizer. Rose water helps maintain the skin pH balance and also control excessive oil. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce of irritated skin. Get rid of acne. It is a great cleanser. The antioxidant properties of the rose water helps to strengthen skin cells and regenerate skin tissues. The nourishing and moisturizing properties of the rose water enhance the quality of hair. Lemon are rich in vitamin C and citric acids. They help brighten and lighten your skin. When used overnight, just remember wear SPF when you use lemon juice. You can add in the face pack honey in winter. Honey will provide hydration. It has anti-aging properties, antibacterial properties, prevents from acne, full of antioxidants. It is great for slowing aging. Complexion boost. It's extremely moisturizing and smoothing, so it helps to create a glow. It will soften skin. It is a very good cleanser, moisturizer and face wash. This is the end of the video. हदीस शरीफ रसूल पाक ने फरमाया 3 मौक़ों पर दुआ मांगो, इस वक्त दुआ रद्द नहीं होगी। नंबर 1, जब जिस्म कांप उठे। नंबर 2, दिल में खौफ आ जाए। नंबर 3, आंखों में आंसू जारी हो जाएं। रसूल पाक ने फरमाया सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, अल्लाह उसके चेहरे को रोशन करे जो हदीस को सुने कर दूसरों तक पहुँचाए। बाय।